Students, I am extremely sorry for what happened. Due to some technical error, the video got disconnected. That's why I'm taking the second part of this video. I'm extremely sorry for what happened. This never repeats again. So, sexual reproduction, just 5 minutes back, I started explaining about sexual reproduction, which includes three important steps. The first one is plasmogamy, where two cells of same hyphae or different hyphae, they fuse their cytoplasm but without fusion their nucleus, which results in the formation of two nuclei present in the same cell, and that stage it is called as a dikaryon stage. Whereas karyogamy means now the two nuclei that are present in the single cell, they fuses to form a diploid nucleus. Then that phase it is called as synkaryon, and this diploid nucleus, it undergoes meiosis to produce haploid spores. Okay, this is by meiosis. And due to the sexual reproduction, different types of spores are formed, that is zygospore, oospore, ascospore and basidiospore. And sexual reproduction, it takes place in five ways. They are planogametic copulation, gametangial contact, gametangial copulation, spermatization and somatogamy. In just 5 minutes or 10 minutes back, I explained about the first three types of sexual reproduction, and the last two types of sexual reproduction. While I'm teaching, something happened. Even I also did not realize what exactly happened. Even now also I don't know, but I'm very sorry whatever happened, and I'll definitely see that this will never happen again. So I'm continuing with the last two methods, that is spermatization and somatogamy. So let us take the last two. Yes, the last two are somatogamy, and the very last one is spermatization. Somatogamy में there is no special sex organs are formed. Let us take the first one. Let us take this is the first one. Planogametic copulation में special gametes are produced, है ना? See, either similar gametes, dissimilar gametes, one motile and other non-motile gametes. That means special structures are produced for fertilization. That means sexual reproduction. Whereas gametangial contact में antheridium and oogonium are produced. See, antheridium is a male reproductive part and oogonium is a female reproductive part. That means the two special structures are produced. Whereas gametangial copulation may two swollen structures from different hyphae of different mycelium, that means progametangia are formed. Now if you take the next one, that is somatogamy, there is no special structures for the sexual reproduction. So clearly I mentioned there is no special sex organs are formed during this process. Then how it takes place? See, two hyphae of opposite mycelium strains. Here I used strains matlab I mean, what exactly I mean is two different mycelia. Okay, now two hyphae of different mycelia, they just come close. See, they are coming close. आपको दिख रहा है ना? This is one hyphae of one mycelium, and this is another hyphae of another mycelium. So hyphae of opposite mating types, now they just come close and they forms a tube like structure. I can say it is a conjugation tube like structure. There is no, it is not a special structure, just they come in contact with each other. You see, please don't get confused. They are not producing special structure like gametes. They are not producing special structures like what I call antheridia, oogonium, and they are not producing special structure like progametangia. ऐसा special structures won't be produced. Just the cell, they just come in contact, and one cell का nuclei it enters into the other cell. See, पहले एक ही न्यूक्लिय है ना, अभी दो न्यूक्लिय है, which is called as dikaryoticization. Okay. So somatogamy means the fusion of the the fusion of protoplasm, that means plasmogamy, and the fusion of nuclei, that means karyogamy, if they are taking place without forming any special structure, special reproductive structure, then that is called as somatogamy. And आपको future क्या है पता है, and these two they fuses and to produce single diploid nuclei, and they undergo some mitosis, I'm extremely sorry, meiosis, and then they produces haploid spores. The rest of the story आपको पता है, but what you want to understand, what you need to understand in somatogamy is ये complete process is same, but there is no special structure for the sexual reproduction. Here plasmogamy is same, karyogamy is same, meiosis is same, spore production is same, and spore dispersal is same by wind or water or human beings or birds, whatever it may be, and their germination is same. But the only difference is there is no special structures like antheridia, oogonia, progametangia. Yes or nahi? Then that is called as somatogamy. Hope you understood, students. I think I handled it clearly, but still if you have any confusions, please ask me. I'll definitely explain you. Okay. Now let us take the last one, the very last one. With this, the sexual reproduction of fungi, it is completed, and tomorrow I'm going to explain about classification of fungus. Now let us take the last one, that is spermatization. Now in the spermatization, the uninucleate male gametes called spermatia, they are produced by the special structure called as spermatogonia. I will explain. Let us take, this is hyphae. Now this is hyphae. It is acting like a male now. So now it is acting like a male. Now this male hyphae, it produces a special, see, finger like projection आपको दिख रहा है ना, it is looking like our finger है ना. Now this is special finger like projection that is called as spermogonia. Understanding it? Of course, spermogonia, it is also called as pycnidia. I know the word is a little difficult. Pycnidia. Again, I repeat, pycnidia. Okay. If it is difficult, ये छोड़ दो, and at least you remember spermogonia. So the male hyphae, it is producing a special structure, a finger-like projection that is called as spermogonia. On top of this spermogonia, you can be able to see the production of the special male gametes, and this is special ovoid. Ovoid means what? Round. Ovoid means basically round or egg shaped, and this special ovoid bodies are called as spermatia, and this spermatia, they get detached from the male hyphae. See how they are getting detached. See idhar tak they are like a series. Now see they are one is detached, आपको दिख रहा है ना, and this is detached spermatia, they reaches the female hyphae. See this is called as female hyphae, whereas female hyphae, it is called as female gametangium, it is called as ascogonium. Please don't get confused. Male hyphae in spermatization, you have to call it as spermogonia, whereas a female hyphae of spermatization process may, you have to call the female one as ascogonium. Hope you understood now. Now the male spermogonia, it is producing a special structure, that is this is special structure, see finger like structure, which is called spermogonia. It is producing the special male gametes are called as spermatia. They gets detached from the spermogonia, and they reaches the female one, and the female gametangium, it is called as ascogonium. See this spermatia, it attached to the ascogonium, and it releases its nucleus into it. See it released. See now either nucleus hai na, now it became empty. Now the same cell, the same ascogonium consisting of two nuclei, and this dinucleated, two nucleated stage, it is called as dikaryoticization. Understood na? And आपको future तो पता है. What is the future of it? This dikaryoticization, that means the two nuclei, they fuses to form the diploid nucleus, and the diploid nucleus, it undergoes meiosis to produce the haploid spores. This all आपको पता है ना. See here plasmogamy. See पहले plasmogamy दिख रहा है ना, and after plasmogamy these two nuclei, they undergoes fusion, that is called as karyogamy. बाद में meiosis, and they produce spores. Hope you understood what is spermatization and what is somatogamy. And with this, I completed the sexual reproduction in fungus. Whereas tomorrow I'm going to take a fresh topic, a new topic, that is classification of fungus. Hope you understood, students. If any confusions are there, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.